Welcome to another Metz training video. Today we're going to show you how to clean a slip-resistant floor tile. A slip-resistant floor, we traditionally mean a tile with a P5 rating or even higher. So this will work for commercial kitchen floors or a commercial bathroom floor like we're in today. This floor, as you can probably see, has been quite neglected over a period of at least weeks, and we're going to show you how to remove this soiling. The two key ingredients with any cleaning process, one is the actual lifting and emulsifying of the soiling. The second process is rinsing, to remove it, to get it away. Without both of these steps, the cleaning process will be poor and soiling will build up over time. So again, cleaning and then rinsing. Okay, so we're going to clean today with a tool called a Doodlebug or an Eager Beaver. They're the two main commercial brands. Basically, they're commonly called the brick mop, obviously for their size. Using a mild abrasive pad. This one's a white pad, as you can see. They are typically colour-coded. White pads are the softest. This is what we recommend for cleaning because it has the mildest action, simply agitates the soiling. So what we're going to do is prepare our cleaning solution. We're going to add the recommended amount. In this case, we're using a simple domestic product, Handy Andy. We've added that to the water. We simply dunk the Doodlebug in, and you can see it's very lightweight, and we simply agitate around the cleaning solution. You can see I'm not scrubbing. I can do this easily one-handed, so it's in no way a heavy scrub. We're simply spreading the cleaning solution around so that it will work. The key ingredient here, as I've mentioned, is not harsh scrubbing. It's simply allowing the product sufficient time to emulsify all the soiling that's present on the floor. I'm not going to clean the whole thing so we can show you where it has been cleaned and where it hasn't. As you can see already, the product, despite only being a simple domestic product, is easily emulsifying. So the colour of the foam, as you can see, is becoming quite a horrible grungy brown grey colour. Just simply spread it around. This floor has a floor waste, so it's a slightly different process where a floor waste isn't present. As we can see over here, we've got a floor waste. So we're simply brushing this product around. Under normal circumstances, we probably won't need to clean this much. This is, as I say, a much easier process than using a standard fabric mop because obviously they fill with water and become quite heavy. So this is very lightweight, as you can see. And again, there's no harsh scrubbing, simply agitating the product around. The key ingredient now is allowing some time. So we've left the floor for a minute or two. We've probably gone off and done other things, perhaps clean the next bathroom. What we're going to show you now is that all this soiling has been lifted from the floor. You simply give the floor a wipe with this white towel just to demonstrate how much of this grunge has come off the floor. So again, it's no doubt that the soiling has been removed from the actual floor. It's now floating in the suspension of detergent here. So what we've got to do now is get this down the drain. If we leave it like this, it'll simply redeposit and we'll have the same problem. All we've done is move the dirt around. So the rinsing step is very simple. When we have a squeegee present, we simply get a little bit of water, extra water if we need to. We're going to do that. So we're just going to put a little bit of water on the floor here. We're going to rinse it by squeegeeing this mess down the drain. You can see the colour of the water. Absolutely filthy, and we get it down the drain. Where we don't have a floor waste present, we can simply use a mop to blot it up. A little bit of fresh water again, and we can blot it up with a mop, like we'll do over here. And you can see all the grunge that's coming off the floor. This is a non-linting mop. You can see it's still quite absorbent. It'll blot up all of this water here, and we simply put it in our traditional mopping bucket with a wringer and wring out the floor, wring out the mop and reapply. So again, simple agitation, not harsh scrubbing. Allow some contact time for the detergent and then rinse it off to get it down the drain. Simple. Thank you very much.